guys, it's Chef Rodney here, and welcome to our cooking demonstration class. It's a demonstration for our technical team here at the Miele showroom in Lagos. The whole purpose of the cooking class was to basically show the technical department on some of the functionalities of the Miele appliances, most especially the steam combination oven. If you want to steam cook the rice from, like this till when it's ready, you need to put water. There's a measurement to it, like it's a ratio 1 to 1.5, depending on the type of rice when you are using the automatic function. So you can make your jollof rice sauce in a large quantity and then portion it and just vacuum seal them. And that's where you now see majority of the appliances all come into play. I want to use rapid steam cooking so that we are faster, right? Place food on shelf level 2. So we'll bring it out to check. If it's not ready, we can pop it back and run the program again.
My name is Tosin Nononga, a field service technician at Miele.
My name is Tijani Delda, so I'm a field service technician at Miele, Nigeria. I've actually learned how to make use of the steam oven. So the reason why I'm going to advise the client in using the steam combination oven is that it retains the natural flavor and the nutrients of the food.
The conditions of cooking is set already. So all you need to do is select which of the programs you want, maybe rice or meat, and it automatically set the conditions for you, the temperature, the time, and it cooks it automatically.
As a brand, it's really important to have first-hand knowledge on the performance, of the appliances. That way they are able to interact with our clients. During the installation process, they are also able to properly explain to the client the advantages of having most of the appliances that they currently have in the kitchen. Even before the chef comes in for a commissioning, the client already has almost like a round understanding of how the appliances work and the expectations of the appliances.